To the queen who thinks I am just words. To the queen who doubt the fire in my words. Who smiles and thinks my heart's a here's universe. Let me tell you, my crown's not made of gold and stone. It's built from pain, from love, from standing all alone. You read my letter like there are pretty rain, just drop of charm, not thunders, hidden strain. You hear my voice but miss the silence ache. A man with a heart that refuses to break. You think I rhyme just to impress, that my inks pain, not a soul's redress. But darling, behind these metaphors, I play every word is a scare, a vow, a need. I don't dress my pain in poetry to please. I write because my chest holds storms and says, you are the queen. Yes, I need to adore. But don't mistake this kneel for blood. Don't call me just words when I am trying to be real. When I show you own, I no longer answer. This pen in my hand is my last defense between raw emotion and real pretense. You sip your tea with a royal stare, like love must bow or it's unaware. But my love was never meant to crawl. It stood tall when you built your wall. You see, my silence speak louder than fame. You don't hear my truth, you hear my name. They call me prince, but I am prisoner too. In a palace of hope built only for you. Yes, I write. Oh, I write from dawn to night. Not for applause, but to make things right. If my poem dance, it's not to charm. It's my soul reaching out with open arms. You think my roses are crafted lies, that my words are veiled in a love's disguise. But Queen, please don't blur the between fiction and the truth I define. I have watched you laugh at promises made, like my heart's a game and love's a blade. But even kings fall, they fall too deep. When their soul awaken from royal sleep, don't dismiss me with a crown typed note, as if my love is flawed or odd. You wrote your word, which distinct grace. But have you ever looked me in the face? Have you seen the man who stays up late, writing truth you will just underestimate, the one who's lost in dreams of you while you debate in any word in true. To the queen who calls me a poet of charm, know this, your doubt does harm because I am not built from sugar and rhyme. I am made from reality that stands through time. If I say I love you, it's not to win. It's because I have drawn in you deep within. It's because I have chosen you with soul and skin, and I will do it again through loss or sin. You see, he just drives and walk away, not knowing those lines were my only way to break through silence, to reach your heart, to stitch what the world tried to tear apart. Yes, I craft my words in velvet light, but they rise from darkness, from lonely night. I don't fake the pain, I set it free, hoping you would know and finally see me. I'm not a dreamer lost in mist. I am the man you have kissed, the hands you have missed. But if you think I'm just a sweet disguise, then you have never looked beyond my eyes. Queen, if you doubt the words I breathe, then leave this book, let your doubts sit. But if you pause and feel my page, you will sense the roar behind the cage. This isn't a tale spun just to impress. It's a storm wrapped in a velvet dress. You are the muse, the heart, the throne. But don't call me words. I stand alone. Don't make my truth I stage to read. Don't read my soul like a book unread. Because love like mine is not rehearsed. It's searched raw, a holy thrust. So here is the truth, not local in lace. I love you past the rule of grace. I'm not a script that fades with time. I am the ache of a silent giant. And if my words don't prove I am true, then there is nothing more that I can do except to say through words may pass. You were the queen who ruled my heart. Did this poem touch your heart? Like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.